Let's see what's on the TV. Creeper and 1UP. Creeper, come on, we must go to the van. He's 1UP. I don't think we should do that. Come on, Creeper. Let's go. I'm gonna go get a glass of milk. There we go. Milk. I finally have milk. Looks like it's the last of it. Ugh. That's my glass of milk. What? Oh! You're too slow. Billy, a glass of milk. I'm out of here. Oh, let's go! A glass of milk. Some good milk. I got the last of it. Mario's probably going like, oh, I'm gonna die. Well, I got this glass of milk. Wait, where is Mario actually? Give me milk. Not today, Day. I'm out of here. Huh? I thought I turned the TV off. I have an idea. Alright, I gotta wait for Mario. Wait, is there a show still on? Huh. It's an interesting show. Huh. Really good show. What the heck? How are you guys alive? My milk! Oh crap. Remember, kids, drink your milk. It makes you become strong. Like me, a 1UP. Or become an atomic explosion, like me. Not even gonna question this anymore. I'm out of here. Hey guys, Dreddy here. And well, here we have Sonic Shorts. Mario goes to the fridge to get a glass of milk. I know the meme is dead, but eh. And I used real milk. Look at that. Look at that milk. Anyways, make sure to like, subscribe, and enjoy. Bye.